How to connect Apple Health or Fitbit to BCBSM application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to connect your Apple Health or Fitbit to BCBSM app, you will need to use the Personify Health application. So to do that, first thing first, just head over to your particular Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone and simply download and install this Personify Health application. So once you successfully download and install Personify Health app from your App Store or Play Store, then within the BCBSM application or on the website, just navigate to the Blue Cross Wellbeing section. So once you're inside there, simply select devices and apps option, then select the device you want to sync with, such as Apple Health or Fitbit, and finally connect the device using the Personify Health application. So after logging in, you will basically get an option to actually select either Apple Health or Fitbit as the device you want to connect. And you just have to follow the prompts as the app will guide you through the process of connecting your chosen device using the Personify Health application. And once connected, you will be able to see your fitness activity data in both your BCBSM member account and the Personify Health application. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.